subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Pixel 8 back in October last year, the company is now reported to launch the successor of it as Pixel 9, and before the launch the upcoming smartphone renders has surfaced online by Steve Hemmerstoffer, in partner with 91 Mobiles. According to leaks and other rumors, the Pixel 9 will feature a flat 6.1-inch display that carries a hole punch at the top center for selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone is seen to have a triple camera setup under elliptical module at the top center, that will include one telephoto lens, along with some other sensors as well. The volume rockers along with the power button is visible on the right edge, while at the bottom we see a speaker grill, microphone, ejectable SIM slot, and a Type-C charging port. Under the hood, the phone is rumored to come powered by Tensor G4 chipset, paired with 8 GB of RAM, and it will likely run on latest Android 14 out of the box. The physical dimensions of this smartphone is said to measure at 152.8 by 71.9 by 8.5 mm. Apart from this, there is no other details of Pixel 9 has leaked so far. So as of now, that's all we know about the Pixel 9 smartphone, and we'll come to know more details about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.